We love humanity, and humanity cannot divide the people. As a human being, let us work together. Let us work for country. I want to continue as a commoner. I am not very important person. I am very less important person. And I can tell you that we launched Trinamool Congress because the need of the hour is to fight BJP. If we can't fight, then they will finish the country. आप विश्वास दीजिए, भरोसा दीजिए. I can assure you, for you people, we will fight 100%.